I got some pineapple chunks. I got the juice off the pineapple chunks. I'm gonna need some of that later. I got the tahini powder. Yeah, I had to look that up because I've been calling that stuff tajin and tajin, whatever, man. You know what I'm talking about. It's pronounced tahini, so I had to look that up so I won't sound stupid on this video. But there you go. I got the minced garlic that I'm gonna use. I had to get lime juice because the limes were horrible at the store, and the lemons. And I'm gonna use some of my olive oil spray. I already got this pan hot because I know you guys didn't want to wait while I stood here and heated this pan up. So now that I got the pan nice and hot to sear these, we're gonna take some of this garlic. I got a plastic fork. You're gonna drop about that much in there. I don't do measurements. I just cook. And so you're gonna work that around in there. Then you can drop the shrimp in. Go ahead and start those to searing. And while the shrimp are searing, you just take some of this lime juice rather. I wanted it to be lemon. And squirt some of that on there. All right, let those cook for just a minute. All right, I'm gonna pick those up, pour some of that juice off in the sink. From them being frozen, it's not really juice, it's just water coming off of it. I'm gonna take some of our pineapple and put it in there. You know what? Let's use all of it. And the little juice that's in there. At this point, you want to take your tahini powder and sprinkle it. If anybody eats this stuff on your fruit, then you can imagine how good it's going to taste on these shrimp and pineapple. And you know, you don't shake a little, you shake a lot. It's not going to be too salty, trust me. Take some more of your lime juice. Remember guys, get a real lime if your store has good produce. Take some more of your pineapple juice and pour it in there. Come up into a nice little boil. Alright, time to pour that juice off again. You want to put a little bit more of your tahini on there because it drained off with your juice. Just for the flavor. There's not much coming out of here. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not. Let the skillet nice and dry now. Take some of this Mrs. Dash salt-free lemon pepper. And sprinkle just a little bit of that on there. Just a little bit. All right. There you have it. Seared pineapple shrimp.